Life often feels like a relentless struggle, filled with challenges at every turn. Few understood this better than Marcus Aurelius, the Roman emperor and philosopher, who endured constant wars, plagues, political unrest, and personal hardships while remaining steadfast. Imagine learning from a leader who not only ruled a vast empire, but also mastered resilience and inner peace in the face of chaos. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful Stoic principles from Marcus Aurelius that can transform your life. These ancient insights aren't just historical relics. They are practical tools to help you navigate modern life with clarity, strength, and focus. Let's begin with one of the most enduring lessons: gratitude. In Meditations, Marcus Aurelius wrote, "When you wake each morning, reflect on the incredible privilege of being alive, to breathe, to think, to love, and to find joy." This simple yet profound habit of starting each day with gratitude can shift your entire outlook on life. Every morning presents a new beginning, yet many rush into their day burdened by stress and obligations. Instead of immediately worrying about tasks, take a moment to appreciate the gift of another day. This shift in perspective can bring more positivity and purpose to your life. Practicing gratitude doesn't mean ignoring hardships or pretending life is perfect. It's about recognizing challenges while also appreciating what's good. Even in times of war, plague, and political turmoil, Marcus Aurelius maintained gratitude. By focusing on what he was thankful for despite adversity, he remained balanced and resilient. You can do the same. Studies show that practicing gratitude reduces anxiety, increases happiness, and even improves physical health. It shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance, helping you see opportunities instead of obstacles. Tomorrow morning, before picking up your phone or diving into work, take a deep breath and appreciate the simple fact that you've woken up. Another key practice Marcus Aurelius relied on was journaling. His private reflections, later compiled into meditations, serve as a guide for personal growth and Stoic wisdom. Journaling isn't just about writing. It's a way to clear your mind, process emotions, and align your actions with your values. With constant distractions and worries, writing provides a space to organize your thoughts and engage in honest self-reflection. It enhances clarity, helps recognize behavior patterns, and ensures that your choices align with what truly matters to you. Marcus Aurelius used journaling as a way to stay grounded, even while ruling an empire. His writings served as reminders of his principles, strengthening his character and resolve. In today's fast-paced world, journaling doesn't require elaborate preparation or hours of effort. Just 10 minutes a day can bring immense clarity. Write about your thoughts, goals, fears, and what you're grateful for. Reflect on your actions and consider how to stay aligned with your values. Journaling isn't just about recording events, it's about gaining insight, solving problems, and understanding yourself better. One of Marcus Aurelius's most striking lessons is about preparing for adversity. He advised, "When you wake up in the morning, remind yourself, the people I encounter today may be intrusive, ungrateful, arrogant, deceitful, envious, or rude. This isn't about expecting the worst. It's about mental preparation. By anticipating challenges, you equip yourself to handle them with calmness and composure." This practice, known as negative visualization, involves imagining difficult situations in advance so they don't overwhelm you when they happen. Just as athletes mentally rehearse obstacles before a competition, preparing for difficulties in life allows you to face them with resilience. Life is unpredictable, but by expecting challenges, we can approach them with strength and clarity.